Introducing the Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop, the perfect companion for your everyday computing needs. With its sleek silver design and powerful specifications, this laptop is a game-changer. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD widescreen LED backlit IPS display, you'll enjoy a stunning visual experience with vibrant colors and sharp clarity. The AMD Ryzen 3 3200U dual-core processor and 4GB DDR4 memory ensure smooth performance and seamless multitasking. Plus, with a 128GB PCIe NVMe SSD, you'll have ample storage for all your files and documents. Connectivity is made easy with the USB 3.1 Gen 1 port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and an HDMI port with HDCP support. Stay connected with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and enjoy the convenience of a backlit keyboard for effortless typing. With a battery life of up to 7.5 hours, you can work or play without worrying about running out of power. Running on Windows 10 in S mode, this laptop provides a secure and efficient operating system. And with a maximum power supply wattage of 65 watts, you'll have all the power you need. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Order your Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop today and experience the ultimate in performance and style. It's time to elevate your computing experience.